Hello, my name is Dennis Abels and I'm the third generation of this family-owned company, AVEK Haarlem. We produce springs. You can find our springs in all different kinds of branches, from automotive to aviation, aerospace, office furniture, you name it, and you can find our products in that branch. Lately, sustainability for people and environment is getting more and more important. This is why I've invested in sensors throughout my factory to measure ambient noise, humidity, air quality and much more, so we can get better every day. Our entire network is Cisco Meraki, so we are ready for the future.
Welcome to AVEK, Haarlem's first smart factory. For years, we conducted manual measurements to assess the state of our machines and the working environment. This process was time-consuming, expensive, and only provided a snapshot in time. We faced a challenge to address this more quickly, sustainably, and reliably. In our quest for a solution, we began implementing Cisco Meraki firewalls, switches, and access points. Recently, we added intelligent Cisco sensors that can measure air quality, sound, heat, and much more. All the data generated from these sensors is accessible through the Cisco Meraki dashboard, providing us with real-time insights from anywhere via the cloud. Collecting this data directly contributes to the sustainability of our workforce and machines. It also allows us to conduct research on trends and helps reduce our energy consumption. Furthermore, it enables us to report on sustainability and achieve important ESG objectives. Now, more than ever, it is crucial to gather this type of information to prepare for future sustainability requirements. Our managed services provider, Joheco, has transformed our old factory into a true Cisco smart building or smart factory. They monitor and maintain our network from a central location at a fixed monthly cost. This also has resulted in significant improvements in security. For instance, we have separated IT and OT to prevent unauthorized access to critical systems. Additionally, security updates are now performed simultaneously and effortlessly from the cloud, replacing the time-consuming on-premise process. Cisco Meraki reduces our IT resource requirements and saves valuable time, allowing us to focus on our core business, manufacturing springs. Would you like a secure network ready for the future? Explore the possibilities of Cisco smart buildings and the benefits offered by the sustainability specialization.